In this video, I'll show you guys how to use these film borders for your Instagram Reels to make it look aesthetic and filmic, cinematic type look. But before we get into that, my name is Eddie Torsten, and I create digital assets for content creators just like you to streamline your editing workflow so you can make these videos in about 5 to 15 minutes using these packs. I'll leave a link in the description for you. So now let's get into this video. But before we get into this, make sure to go grab these film borders in the link in the description. And now I'm gonna show you how to use these film borders. You'll get 3 of them. You'll get this one for horizontal footage. You'll get this one for kind of a more cropped 9:16 footage. And then you also get this one that's just smaller and cropped by 9:16 footage. For this one, you don't have to do anything. I'm running in 4K, but it'll originally look like this. This is for 1980 or 1080 by 1920. But if you run 4K like I do, all you have to do is just hit 200, scale it, boom, now you have it perfectly. But for these, it's a little different. These are already in 4K, I'm pretty sure. So all you have to do is come to the blend mode and the effects control with the opacity and turn it to multiply. Now you can see I am currently doing some calf raises at the gym. And we could just also descale this, so like out a little bit more, just so you can see it a lot better. And now as I play through this, you can see how they actually work. Same with this one, just come over, hit multiply, and boom, now you have this really cool filmic look for your Instagram Reels. And if you want to learn more about how to use these filmic looks and make your personal brand extremely aesthetic on Instagram, click this video right over here where I go step by step how I create my Instagram Reels.